Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a bentonite clay mask on my skin. As you can see, I have a lot of blemishes, and lately the last few, I'll say 4 years, my skin hasn't been the greatest. If you've seen one of my viral videos, you see that my skin was really clear, but now it's not the case. So in today's mask, I'm going to be using bentonite clay and Kaolin clay. To be honest with this one, I don't really have specific recipe, but I am using bentonite clay, Kaolin clay. It is best to mix this with apple cider vinegar, making sure you also dilute it with some water, because bentonite clay is better mixed with apple cider vinegar than using just water, and it also makes the clay a lot more potent to draw out toxins, reduce inflammation, and deeply cleanse the skin. I'm going to talk to you about a few of the benefits of each of these clays, starting off with bentonite clay. It helps to cleanse the skin as it is highly absorbent to draw out any dirt, oils, toxins, and heavy metals. It is also antimicrobial, aiding in preventing breakouts, and it also helps treat acne breakouts. It also helps with hyperpigmentation, which is something that if you struggle with breakouts or acne, you may be experiencing. Kaolin clay deeply cleanses the skin, it exfoliates, minimizes the appearance of pores, absorbs excess oil, it is soothing, and it's skin balancing both for oily and dry skin, and it also helps to reduce blemishes and much more. I left this in my skin for about 15 to 20 minutes until it dried, rinsed off. Then I am now using my toner. Now, since I felt like this really cleansed my skin and removed all of the dirt, I did then go ahead and did a moisturizing face mask. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this, and also follow me along on my skin healing journey, because it hasn't been easy, it's been tough. All my life I've had clear skin. For it to now be like this is it takes a bit of adjusting, but I hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you guys in my next video.